What will happen in 2027?
The year 2027 is expected to bring remarkable developments in science, technology, sports, and global culture. Many projects, missions, and international events are already planned, while scientists and thinkers continue to predict new changes in our planet and society. Though no one can say for certain what the future holds, here's what experts and planners believe might happen in 2027.
Ballot box with ballot world events and global developments.
By 2027, several nations will undergo political transitions through national elections, shaping new governments and policies. Global organizations like the United Nations will continue to focus on peace, climate action, and sustainable growth. Some analysts also expect that Bougainville, a region in the South Pacific, may officially become an independent country and join the United Nations as its newest member state if its independence process proceeds peacefully. International cooperation will remain a key focus as countries work together on economic recovery, renewable energy, and scientific research after years of global challenges.
Soccer ball sports and international celebrations.
Sports will once again unite the world in 2027. The ICC Men's Cricket World Cup will be hosted by South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Namibia, giving fans a thrilling tournament filled with fierce competition. The FIFA Women's World Cup and the Rugby World Cup are also expected to take place, attracting millions of viewers across the globe. In Lima, Peru, the Pan American Games will bring together athletes from across the Americas. Meanwhile, Santiago, Chile, will host the Special Olympics World Summer Games, celebrating inclusion and human spirit. The Island Games will take place in the Faroe Islands, and Japan will welcome visitors to the International Horticultural Expo in Yokohama, promoting the themed scenery of the future for happiness.
DNA science and technology. 2027 is expected to be a groundbreaking year for science.
In Japan, the Hyperkamiokande experiment, one of the world's largest and most sensitive neutrino observatories, is set to begin operations. Scientists will use it to explore mysteries of the universe, such as why matter exists and how particles behave at the smallest level. Technology will also reach new heights. Artificial intelligence will continue to evolve, becoming more efficient in medicine, communication, and education.
Some futurists predict that by 2027, AI might perform complex tasks almost as well as humans, though this remains uncertain and debated among experts. Space exploration will continue to expand.
NASA and private companies like SpaceX aim to push further into deep space, possibly preparing for human missions to Mars or establishing longer stays on the Moon.
Environment and climate. Environmental issues will still be at the center of global attention.
Scientists warn that the world might cross the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming threshold around 2027 if strong measures are not taken. This could lead to more frequent heat waves, melting glaciers, and stronger storms. However, many countries are taking serious steps toward carbon neutrality, focusing on renewable energy, reforestation, and eco-friendly urban development. The shift toward electric vehicles and sustainable living will likely become even more visible by 2027. Performing arts, culture, society, and human progress.
Cultural and social changes will continue to shape human life.
Virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and digital art will merge to create entirely new forms of entertainment.
Music, movies, and literature will reflect themes of environmental protection, identity, and technology.
In Seoul, South Korea, World Youth Day 2027 will bring together millions of young people from around the globe for a celebration of faith, hope, and cultural exchange. Humanity's spirit of unity and progress will remain strong in an increasingly connected world.
Milky Way speculative and future predictions. As always, some people make bold or imaginative predictions.
Some futurists expect major progress in quantum computing and even the first signs of fusion power, which could revolutionize energy. Others warn about challenges such as overdependence on AI or new global power struggles.
However, these forecasts remain uncertain.
The only thing experts agree on is that the world will keep changing faster than ever and adaptability will be the key to survival and success.
Thought balloon: what to expect overall. The year 2027 will likely be remembered as a time of discovery, innovation, and environmental awakening.
Humanity will continue to push the boundaries of science, technology, and imagination while trying to protect the planet that sustains life. It will be a year to reflect on how far the world has come and how wisely we must move forward. The future may hold surprises, but it will also offer new hope for a more united, intelligent, and sustainable Earth.